Welcome to Wekeza. Here's how to find a stock and make your first investment. 1. Tap the Trade button at the bottom of your screen. 2. Use the search bar to look up a stock by name or symbol, for example, Apple or AAPL. 3. On the stock page, you'll see important details, for example, the current price, a chart showing the stock's performance, and a company description. Scroll down to see the latest company news to help you decide if it's the right time to invest. Now, let's place your order. First, choose how long you want your order to stay active. Day amassed, it lasts for today only. Good, until canceled. It stays open until you cancel it. Day plus, extended hours, includes trading outside regular hours. Then choose the type of shares. Flick tractional shares. Buy a small part of a stock, starting at just $1. Whole shares. Buy one or more full shares. If you're buying a fractional share, enter the dollar amount you want to invest. The calculator will show you how much of the share you'll get. Now tap Place Order. Then review your order summary carefully. When everything looks good, tap Submit Order. Need more help? Contact us anytime at info@wekeza.com. Spread the word, learn, connect, prosper with Wekeza.com.